believe we can do this in one show, right?
Right.
So we think. But let's run a couple more tracks.
Before we get into those tracks,
Yeah.
I Still Love You. That's soul song that. What was the inspiration behind that song?
Listen, that's real life, all right? I'm telling you, real life.
It sounds like you want to talk about it. I'm a dodge for talk.
Well,
we want to hear the story.
You want to hear the story?
Yes, man.
Well, I got married very early. I got married like 21, 22. And unfortunately, just before I got married, I met a woman who I really love.
Story come to
so you can see the confusion right
yes.
Here, right? Well, listen, when my wife found out about this now, and this is long before Chalice, when my wife found out about this, it was really confused. I was in hell, let's put it that way. I couldn't find peace with my woman and I couldn't find peace with my wife.
You couldn't get a peace nowhere.
No.
You come buy the drinks today. You see when you come back up my yard, when you come back up here, we're going to hold him, then we're going to buy the drinks, right?
But he's accurate.
Oh, like, to catch you out, buy the drinks.
If I never had music to
fall back on,
soothe the soul, I'm telling you. So my wife took the high road and said, look, I'm going to Florida to live, because if you want this thing to continue, then you can come. So in one mind I was happy because there was one problem gone. So I would spend some time between my girlfriend's house and my house. And one morning sleeping at my house, my guitar is always beside my bed, right? One morning at about 3 o'clock in the morning, I just like wake up and stretch out my hand like to see if my wife was there. And she wasn't there. And I take up my guitar and just write. Woke up this morning, found you gone, taking all my dreams, leaving all alone. And I just go in my living room and I have tears in my eye and I'm just singing. And I said to myself, I usually record anything I write.
Right.
And I said to myself, I went back to my bed. And if I remember this in the morning, I will have a song. This is before joining Byron Lee Band.
Wow.
And it was one night now in Aracabessa with Chalice, after we rehearse and we write and things. Late night, we usually just sit down on the veranda and want to split, chat, whatever. All the meds and think about where we want to go and how we're getting there. And I just said to Mike and Allah, I say, I have this song. Of course, it's not Chalice, something Chalice will do, but I want you to hear it. And I just start playing the song for them and they say, wow, come around the keyboard, go around the keyboard. And basically what you hear on the song is what came out that night. And we recorded it. We had a cassette tape. We used to record everything. And Desi Jones, the drummer, he would wake up early in the morning and make pure noise in a way that practice. But he just get up that morning and punch the cassette, and here comes this music. And all of we just come out of the room and stand up and just listen to that. And Desi say, what that? And I said, song of like, Desi said, me not touch it. I just play drumming at the bridge. That's it, done.
Wow.
And we went to Tough Gun when it was up at Hope Road, not where the museum is now.
Right.
And Stephen Stanley was the engineer, and I was singing the tune, and Stephen said to me, you not feel it, man. You not feel it the way I hear that demo where you're singing. And Stephen said, man, turn off the lights. And Stephen turned off the light and try again. And Stephen said, yes. Him say, yes, Wayne, that is what you're feeling. And sing the song, man. I say, when I finish singing the song and them turn on back the light, man, I'm not having no clothes, just my brief. I just take off my clothes and I sing this song. Well, the rest is history. The song stayed for 14 weeks on the Jamaican chart.
That was a murderous
That
tune.
was that song that was right up there.
I think we should give the listeners another
touch.
Small touch, just a small touch, yeah.
Hi there. If you enjoyed that clip, go on over to our website at yardmedia.com where you can watch the entire broadcast at your leisure. And while you're there, why don't you check out our other reggae music features? And before you leave, pick up some of our Jamaican reggae merchandise, and hey, don't forget to tell your friends.
My name is Garth, otherwise known as Big G.
My name is Richie Blackford.